The Projective Cities installation frames welfare architecture as both a linguistic and spatial construct, produced through the terms that articulate it and build forms that sustain it. The installation foregrounds the architect's role in shaping the frameworks through which welfare is experienced and spatialized. Rather than operating solely as a spatial designer, the architect has emerged as an agent of interpretation, identifying and translating terms such as access, care, and provision into spatial decisions. At its center, a glossary of welfare architecture pairs antonymic terms, tracing how each term can be understood as much by what it is not as by what it is. By placing these terms in tension, the glossary exposes welfare as a field of negotiation rather than a fixed system. The accompanying texts do not offer stable definitions, but instead function as active interpretations, reflecting on our shared human experiences as well as wider spatial conditions and their implications.
A rolodex, fabricated in steel and supported by a concrete base, gives weight and resistance to language. The act of turning the cards produces a rhythm of encounter in which each term and its antonym are revealed through participation and positioning the viewer within the process of assembling meaning. Mounted on the wall, two large-scale screens extend the glossary into a dynamic field of visual representation. The curated selection of archival materials and studio drawings reveals the architectural, infrastructural, and historical lineages embedded within the glossary's definitions, spanning themes of charity, labor, public amenities, and space-time. Through these associations, welfare can be understood as a socio-spatial imaginary shaped by accumulated practices, spatial precedents, and typologies. Introducing duration and repetition, the projected images allow the glossary terms to circulate and recombine, suggesting that the meaning of welfare architecture is continuously produced and reinterpreted.
Caregiver, architect. Corporate lackey, architect.